my head, it used to rain on me. Just a lost king with a lot of pain on me. We just chillin', just know I got that.
Everybody, it's Bryant. Back for another video. Excuse my voice if I kind of like go silent or whatnot. I'm not feeling the best, but here for another video. It's gonna be something pretty simple. It's gonna be installing a cold air intake today. There's the pipe. There's the hose. It's blue. I am gonna be changing this. I'm just gonna install it for the meantime. Oh, drop screwdriver. And here is the filter. So, bear with me while I get you set up. This is also going to be on the Accord that I have. Right here is the air box. First, you'll need to take off this cover. So just take a flathead. We're going to pop these little tabs. Well, not really pop them. You just turn them to the side. And then the thing comes right out. So I'll set that to the side. All right, as far as the install, I do need needle nose pliers. There we go. So I have a screwdriver. It's just a flathead, needle nose pliers, and a 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter, so you can take off all the bolts that hold on the air box. Now I did go ahead and take out the one that's on the bottom of the car, just to kind of like fast forward this and whatnot. I'll just leave it up here for now. So there's one. Let's put this stuff to the side real quick. Disconnect the battery. The battery's dead anyways. Slide that out. There's gonna be another one right down here. I don't know if you'll be able to hear that wind or not, but I have the garage door open and the weather's nice outside, but it's extremely windy. There's another one. Put this back on. As far as I know, I believe that's it. I'll just have to kind of disconnect all this stuff. There's this hose. It should just pull right out. There it goes. Alright. I am going to unplug my map sensor just so I don't mess it up. Go ahead and run that down out of the way. I do need a small Phillips head screwdriver. Thought this clamp was a flathead, but it's a small Phillips. Just break that loose. Hose right here. If I can get it. Okay, might need to get it after I get this out. Pull the top off. There it goes. Here's the hose. You can sometimes take a flathead, kind of wiggle it. Try not to pry on it too much because you don't want to like break the hose or crack it. You know, it could be dry rotted. There it goes. So here, oh, my battery cable's connected to it. Here's the top of the air box. Set that down right there. As you can see, it's like pretty much a brand new filter in it. I've had this car, I've had it for a little over 2 years now. I believe the car sat for a few months before I even got it, so I've only drove it, you know, maybe 3 times. Transmission was replaced in 2016, I believe. Paperwork's inside the car. It's a healthy motor, healthy engine, you know, healthy transmission. I just replaced the starter. Sorry I didn't get a video on that. I do have the cold air intake that we're installing today. I do have an alternator. I will be making a video on that. Little other odd ends and things that I will be, you know, making videos and stuff on. But we'll get back to this. So I got the top off. Bottom should just slide right out. That's a cap to the battery. Must have fell in there when they replaced it. Set that on the ground. Put this away. All right. Now we're just going to install. We have our pipe. I'm just going to set that right here. Grab my filter. Now this one is just a universal cold air intake. It did come with a bracket. Not exactly sure where this bracket goes or how it's installed, so I may have to create my own eventually. It also came with the coupling and C-clamps, or not C-clamps, clamps, whatever they're called, circle clamps. So as you can see, there's a big one, there's a small one. Set these right here. So as you can see, the coupling, it's small and then it gets bigger. Yeah, you can kind of see the reflection. There's a small end, there's a big end. I'm pretty sure. I don't think that's right. Okay. So small end will go onto the body of the car. It's very windy out there. All right, small end will go onto the body of the car. Make sure you slide it all the way up. And then you'll install your pipe. Okay, so I'm about to rerun this hose. Yeah, I'm just going to install it for now. Do believe that this one right here, it has like a metal end on it. Pretty sure you just get like the little tiny filters. You pop it on there and it should be fine. But as far as this one, that's what this hose in the back is for. I'm just gonna have to I'll take this hose off and run a new hose so I can get it inside of here. But for today, I'm just gonna install it. All right, so before I do all this, I'll take everything back off. Now that I know how it goes, grab my flathead. Squeeze that on. There it goes. Get this back in. Oh. Want to install the clamp before you get it on. All right. I'm just going to tighten the clamps down. And I'm just using a flathead. I believe it's like a 10 millimeter or an 8. I always just use screwdrivers. Makes it so much simpler. So you want to get it tight, but you don't want to over tighten it, because if you do, it will like tear a hole inside the coupling. Tighten this one. Make sure it's all the way on. You also want to put them in an easy spot. So if you ever have to take it off for some reason, it's just like right here at the top. All right. Like I said, here's my filter. It's just a simple black filter. I'll slide that on right here. Slide it on. I'm just gonna slide the clamp around. So like I said, you have easy access to it. It's facing up. You don't have to worry about where it is. You know, it's just, boom, it's right here in case you gotta take it back off. So I'll tighten it down. As far as this hose, pretty sure I'm gonna slide this piece off. Maybe. Might be able to just run it underneath and run it inside. Yep. Okay, that'll work. All right, so I can show you that hose. It was back here. I just stretched it out a little bit, ran it right inside. And here's the quarter intake install. I'm not gonna worry about putting the battery and all that stuff back in. Like I said, the battery's dead. I do have a bit of concern though. Battery sits right here. So I do have, 1 second. I do have a 90 degree, just in case. I might have to end up putting that on. If I do, I will update, let you guys know. But that's gonna be it for today, because I'm not feeling the best, so I just wanted to come out here and make a little video. I needed to get some sun anyways, kind of break this mucus and stuff up. Yeah, that's gonna do it. If you guys liked the video, if you can, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.